I wish Dad had called Patterson.
I did call Patterson, and I've always found them to be reliable, dependable, supportive, and always addressing my needs. I would recommend them to my friends because they are priced just right.
Hi, I'm Rick Hendrickson. We've been serving the Carolinas for over 60 years, and we at Patterson would like to serve you too. Please give us a call or visit us at gopatterson.com.
They're really good people.